Okay, can we take a second to really talk about this kimono thing by Kim Kardashian? So I know it's no longer a thing because she actually abandoned her application. She said she was going to rebrand, but so many news outlets were actually reporting it wrong. So she was never granted a trademark for kimono. She applied for it, and that's when the uproar began. And a lot of people said that she actually abandoned her application because of the feedback from her audience, but we're all pretty sure that's not the case. The mayor of Kyoto, he actually submitted a letter to the USPTO, which is the United States Patent and Trademark Office, basically giving all these reasons why her trademark should not be allowed. So a kimono is traditional dress within the Japanese community. It is, I don't even know how far it goes back, but it is very traditional, very heart-centered for them on a kimono. So the fact that she tried to trademark it is very demeaning and disrespectful to them and their community. And of course, Kim tries to say, oh, Kanye was in Japan while this whole debacle was happening. I respect whatever. Like, obviously she knew what was happening, but she still went forward with the application anyway, which may have been her plan all along, because now we all know what is going on with her and her new shapewear line. We don't know what it's going to be named yet now that she's rebranding it, but it's very important to even discuss this. So within the USPTO, the trademark office, they specifically state there's things that can be trademarked and can't be trademarked. Well, what can't be trademarked are functional articles of clothing. So the word shirt, that cannot be trademarked. Same goes for kimono. That cannot be trademarked. You can use it within something else. So she also had she had a million different trademarks with the word kimono in it, but she also tried to trademark kimono alone. And although it wasn't being applied for to register an actual kimono, she was still using it within the clothing and apparel line, the class of goods. So she still could have gone after every single person, every single business that actually sells kimonos if it was approved. I don't think it would have been approved anyway, but you can't trademark the name of an item within that class. So even if you wanted to trademark shirt to describe shoes, I highly, highly, highly doubt that would be approved by the USPTO. But anyways, she went forward with her application. She ended up abandoning it because of the uproar, but I'm pretty sure the whole trademark community is pretty sure that she abandoned it because of the letter from the mayor of Kyoto. And this was done through a letter of protest. So this is a process that can be done before the actual trademark examination that occurs by the trademark office's examining attorneys. You apply, and then the examining attorney does their examination and tells you whether you're approved or not. Well, before that period, you can outside parties can submit an LOP, which is a letter of protest, and that's what this letter was. And a lot of times those letters they have merit, so a lot of times those letters prevent the trademark from getting approved. So that's my spiel on Kim Kardashian. I just basically wanted to get clear that she was never approved for a trademark. She only applied for it, and then shortly thereafter it was abandoned because of the uproar and the letter from the mayor of Kyoto. I actually reached out to a lot of media outlets on Twitter because they were all reporting it wrong. And I said, listen, if you need somebody that really knows about trademarks and who can actually report accurately on trademarks, let me know. So if you are a news outlet that is looking for somebody to write about trademarks, I'm your girl. Hit me up. I'm Andrea Sager Law on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, you found it useful, you need other business advice, trademark advice, copyrights, whatever it is, follow my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I am giving all the goods out So follow me, and I will definitely keep you informed in regards to small business matters, trademarks, copyrights, you name it. So if you found this useful, please like it, comment, share it with your friends. If you have any business owner friends, they need to hear this. So make sure you share this with them. And thank you.